Festival Events Ontario Visited, Ontario Agritourism, out today with Angela at the new kayak accessibility ramp. And Angela, can you tell us about why we're here and what this is all about?
This is so exciting. I want to welcome you and thank you for coming. The accessible kayak launch is designed to allow all users access to the river. So anyone that has mobility issues, they can wheel right onto the dock here and use the transfer bench and transfer themselves directly into their kayak. So it's to open the nature back up to those that need some accommodation.
And is it free? Is it free for everybody?
It's free, yes, yeah. Absolutely. So it's here at Balls Bridge.
Yes, where are we?
And you can, it's here for everyone. And we're getting tons of people out using it. We're super happy with that. And it's a safer way to access the river. Your kayak or your canoe can be a little tippy, and the edge is rocky, and maybe there's mud underfoot, it's slippery. By using this, you just sit your kayak in the chute, your canoe, and you grab a hold of the railing and step down in, and away you go. So it's great for everyone. It's really nice if you're taking kids out. Really helps on the tippy factor, as I like to call it.
Yeah, you don't need to have mobility and just even challenges, any kind of challenge, whether you're young or old. And we're in Central Huron.
Absolutely, yes we are. We're in Central Huron, just outside of Clinton, and as I mentioned, it's Balls Bridge, and we'll get a shot of that as well.
Yes, we'll share this experience with you so that you'll want to come out and try it with you and your family and your friends and your neighbors if you can. Thanks, Angela.
Thank you.
Just want to make sure I got it.